In this video we're going to be making bread and butter pudding. It's a traditional English dessert that's made by layering slices of buttered bread scattered with currants, nutmeg, egg and milk mixture which is poured over the top before baking. Our first step is to grease a baking dish with some butter. We then prepare our bread. Spread the butter onto each slice, remove the crusts and cut into triangles. Historically, this is a frugal dish which is made by using stale bread. There are variations, and we're making one with a twist today. This is using croissants as well as bread. So I've got two fairly large croissants here, and I'm cutting each of those into 4 pieces. The next step is to line the baking dish with the croissants along the bottom. Then sprinkle a tablespoon of the granulated sugar over the top and add in half of the currants. On to making the next layer. So with the buttered side facing upwards, place the bread triangles along the top of the croissants. And then sprinkle a tablespoon of granulated sugar over the top, add in the remaining currants and then a dash of cinnamon and a dash of nutmeg. Once this is done, we begin with our custard. So warm 3½ cups of milk and 1/4 cup of heavy cream in a small pan until it's hot, but don't let it boil. Next, in a large bowl, crack 2 eggs and then add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Whisk it together until it's all well combined. And then pour the milk and cream mixture into the eggs and sugar and mix it through. And so everything's going to come together now as we pour the custard over our bread. And then leave the bread mixture to stand for 30 minutes. And next, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and that's 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the bread is soaked for 30 minutes, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of nutmeg and a tablespoon of dark brown sugar. The pudding needs to be baked for about 30 to 35 minutes until it's golden brown on top, and you'll be able to tell that the custard is set as well. Once it's cooked, remove from the oven and leave to cool for a few minutes before serving. It's moist enough to be eaten on its own, or you can serve it with some hot custard, alternatively cold ice cream. I hope you've enjoyed this video recipe. Thank you for watching.